we have no trailer right now, so all the shit's in the back of the van. JT's up sleeping on the gear because he's little. Mike took up the whole back bench because he's a gindaloon. And me and Sean are on the first bench. Me and Sean McCabe, two hot, big wiener dudes who play trombone and love each other in a special way. So we're cuddling, and at one point I thought our wieners touched, but we fixed that situation. And every time I woke up, Sean's head was in my lap.
We were gonna try and take a picture.
I got filleted on the way down while I was sleeping.
So John, what do you think about people that think that they can drive fast?
They're cops.
No man, I thought maybe see what you're doing?
I love it.
He did it before the casting. He was like, a camera!
No. I was Sean did this last week. It's like, oh, I can't wait till we stop at a woman's house and I can eat grand.
I'm not gonna do it again. Sorry. Don't want to be over the top. Sorry. I'm no Pacino.
This is how we live. Yeah, it's like bitches. This is how we roll. Just smoke cigars, like we're smoking right now. And we have lots of fun here. Just on the camera all the time.
See? And it is now
12:44.
It's now, yes, and now it is 10:20.
Yeah.
How are you feeling right now?
You see, when I'm driving, I always set ridiculous goals like
North Carolina.
Like, let's drive all the way to North Carolina. And the thing was, at 3 o'clock today, I had already decided that I wanted to go to sleep. And I drove for 7.5 more hours.
And this guy's driving next, and he has no idea.
But yeah, this is it. First shift is done.
Hey Dave, you're driving next, and you have no...
I dropped my wallet, someone picked it up and took my last $150 I have out of it.
What?
Yeah, I'm broke. I have no money.
Alright. As you can see, we finally got a trailer. We've been, fucking around trying to get a trailer for, 2 years now. When I went and got approved for Home Depot credit card, for some reason they gave me $5,000 credit line. And I picked this bad boy up for like $2,000 after haggling. Really. Well, I guess $2,000 plus tax, because it had rust on it. But that's actually what we paid for the original trailer. This is our new trailer. This is our second trailer that we've owned in the band today. What happened was we got the exact same one, but and it took them about an hour to get us settled in, get our registration, everything like that. And finally, Dave went to drive away. And Dave, what happened?
There was a flat.
There was a flat we didn't know about. There's nails in both tires, and luckily only one of them completely gave out and
in the 3-minute trip
came off the rim. Let's see, in the 3-minute trip from over there to right over here, which is about probably 20 feet. The tire went off the rim. I sat in Home Depot trying to get them to switch the tires out for I guess an hour,
with the extra
and then
strength. But it works out in the end because
finally they just decided.
Your ball's not on fire. I know.
Yeah, my balls are killing me. That's a different story. We'll talk about the Gold Bomb later. They finally decided, no, we're not going to give you new tires. We're just going to give you the whole different new trailer. And here's the new trailer. We can finally go. We've loaded in and loaded out 4 times in this parking lot. Now we're going to have to get to the Limelight 10 minutes before our show down here in Myrtle Beach and load out again. Lots of fun. Oh, we haven't eaten since 7 a.m. probably.
All right, let me
Tour's awesome, kids. Start a band.
But so far, people have been generous. I got some cute girl bought me a beer and gave me all the change in her pocket, which was like $4.33 in change. It was ridiculous. And someone else gave me $1. So like, if I get 3 more kids to throw
Whoa,
$1,
really? You made like $5-6.
I made like $4. So
That's a Huddle House dinner, baby.
that is not a Huddle House dinner. You know that is not a Huddle House dinner.
Sometimes more often than usual, shows like this happen where, you know, you show up and it's a nice club and with a lot of space, but not that many people in the club to watch you play or dance or buy things from you or make the club want to have you back. But what you got, the trick is like you make an impression on the few people that do come, and then they tell, you know, lots of friends, and then next time you come around at a different, smaller, crappier club, a lot more people come and see us.
This is the one person in South Carolina that knows us because he used to live around the block from me. And that's it. And yeah. See, touring isn't all good shows. And it's not that this is a bad show. This is what touring is. And that's fun. That's why it's fun. I'd rather play for, you know, this is awesome. I like it. All opening bands are terrible.
Bovey has court appearances and stuff and can't be making it to these shows. And he kind of flaked out at the last minute. So, I'm a little aggravated that I'm not going to play guitar this week. Because it's the instrument that I like to play. And I feel like now that I play bass, I have to focus more on playing and not fucking kicking people. That's just how I work now.
So can you guys hear everything? Everybody, play a note. Play an obnoxious note. 1, 2, 3. Can you guys hear everything? All the things. All the guitars, all the vocals, all the microphones, all the... And the answer is...
We don't care. We don't brush our teeth. This come on the
Oh yeah! Hey! With the organ sons of bitches, everybody bubbles. Dance, 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 dance. You stupid shit.